Well, hello and welcome to day 7 of take 5. All right, 5 minutes together in 3, 2, 1. Let's meet in plank. So you're at the top of a push-up position, and then I just want you to very slowly start to bring your knees to your chest and then bring your knees to your elbows. So you're alternating knees to chest and then knees to elbows, but we're not crossing, okay? So just bring those knees to the chest, knees to elbows. Good. Chest, elbows. One more time, okay? Chest, whew, and then elbows. Good. Have a seat, flip it on over. Good. One weekend, guys, you did this. Hands under your butt. 3, 2, 1. Exhale, lower both your legs. Pick up your head, cross over, under. 2 more. Make it 4. Good. Now, exhale your head down. Bring your legs up, 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 up. 3 more like that, okay? Lower, lower, lower. Exhale your head up. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Squeeze, bring them up, up, up. Head down. 2 more reps, okay? Lower, lower, lower. Get to the bottom. Pick up your head. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Perfect. Squeeze, lift. Last time. Exhale, lower. Woof. You can feel those abs. Pick up your head, over, under. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. Bring it up. Remember, it's take 5. It's only 5 minutes. Now, you're going to exhale, push your feet forward, and then you're going to bring them in. Now, if that's way too much, you're going to go single leg. But again, this isn't a very progressive thing, right? Take 5 is just boom, knock it out in 5 minutes. Now I have that Crush Your Core challenge. It's 7 days, and that's definitely a more progressive core workout. This core routine is just boom, we crush it in 5, okay? Push, and then push. So single leg or both feet, we have 4. Woo, I'm burning 2. Yes, 2 more reps. Come on, push and pull. Last time, push and pull. Yes, pull those knees to chest. Exhale, press your thighs in, guys. Stretch, 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 stretch. Beautiful. Now, bring your knees back to 90 degrees, okay? And then I want you to slowly tap those heels down, and then you're gonna circle all the way back up. So it's like a half circle. Tap your heels, and then reverse the circle the other way. Good, so it's tap, and you're gonna half circle left, bring it up, tap, half circle right, bring it up. Now, if you need to, you'll go single heel, or you'll just lose the circle if it's too much at all to complete that circle. 1 more to the left, tap, circle. 1 more to the right, tap, and then circle. Good, now just keep circling. So I want you to feel those knees round through. Your abs should be burning. Good. 4 more in the direction you're currently moving, and we got less than 2 minutes on the clock, okay? 3, slow it down. Don't go faster than me. 2, let it burn. And 1, good. Knees at 90. Exhale, we circle right. 1, woo, yes you can. Good. 2, we did 6 on the other side, so we'll do 6 on this side. Circle, circle, yes, yes, yes. Last 2 reps right here. 1 more, here we go. Big circle, big circle. Good, exhale, hug it in. Rock it on up. And then meet me in plank where we started, okay? So we have about a minute left on the clock. High plank is where we're gonna be. Knees to chest, singles. Singles, touch your elbows. Good, knees to chest, singles. Touch your elbows. So I want you to feel that work come right through the midline, and then go slightly out to the sides. 1 more single. Good, 1 more right, 1 more left. Now, right hand stays, drop your feet to the right, left arm up, side plank, hold. Bring your bottom right knee to your chest. 4, 3, 2, slide it back, put your left hand down. Now, go into the left hand. Drop your feet to the right, okay? Pull your bottom left knee to your chest. 4, 3, 2, 1, and then we just alternate side plank and side plank. And you're gonna do that to the finish, okay? Few more seconds. You are done for today. You have rocked out 1 full week of Take 5. So you should feel like a rock star. Good work, guys. You are done. Put those knees down. Exhale. Take a moment for yourself. Way to work. We start next week tomorrow with day 8. Way to go. And thank you so much for taking 5 with me.